To ensure your dog remains happy and healthy, it's crucial to focus on both physical and mental stimulation, even when you're away. Engaging your pup with activities like obstacle courses, food puzzle toys, and chew toys can prevent destructive behavior. Regular socialization through walks, dog parks, and play dates is important for emotional well-being, while training strengthens your bond and clarifies expectations. Maintain your role as a consistent pack leader and always reward good behavior. Keep your dog active with exercise suited to his energy level and provide a balanced diet tailored to his needs. Schedule regular vet checkups, ensure safety measures like ID tags and secure environments, and consider daily massages to reduce stress and pain. Lastly, maintain grooming routines, especially for breeds prone to allergies or matting, to promote overall health and comfort.